To start, I'm going to teach you about how you can create a profile. If you search BYU Connect in your search bar, it'll bring up this first page, BYU Connect homepage. This is a great resource to learn more about BYU Connect, what it is, and what it can do for you. If you watch this video or click on any of these links, it'll give you resources and guidance on how to use BYU Connect, as well as how to connect with people, how to join our different upcoming events, etc. If you're new to the platform and want to create a profile, click Join BYU Connect. At this point, you will be guided to click this button, Join Our Community. At this point, you have 3 different options of ways you want to create a profile. You can sign in with a school ID, which will guide you to which BYU or CES school you're a part of, or you can create an account with your LinkedIn, which is awesome because it populates all the information on your LinkedIn directly to your BYU Connect profile. Or you can create an account with your own email address here. Once you've created an account, this is what your homepage will look like. The first thing that you can do is search through different recommendations of people who are matched exactly for you. For example, I'm a pre-business major wanting to apply to the marketing program, so I have different people in marketing who are suggested for me. If you want to contact someone, you can click this button that says Message. At this point, it'll bring up different messages that you can send someone based off of these different templates. Once you choose a template, you can add it and make the message your own. Once you want to send this message, you press Send. Another thing that you can do on the homepage is look at different job opportunities, recent posts on the discussion board, latest resources that people are using, etc. The next thing that you can do on this page is explore the community. At this point, you have all these different people, all different alumni and students that are a part of the BYU Connect community. In a way to help make you narrow down your search easier, you can search by location, major, industry, or click this More Filters option, which brings up a variety of different questions that might help you narrow down someone's home state, if they served a mission, what major they were at BYU, if they were involved with different campus activities at BYU, etc. The next thing that we're going to look at is the groups boards. We have 27 different groups on BYU Connect. These different groups are based by colleges, clubs, etc. If you want to join a group, simply press the group that you want to join and press Join Group. At this point, you'll be allowed to message with different people in the group. For example, one group that is super active is the BYU Management Society. If you click the discussion board, then you'll find people who are posting different opportunities on this discussion. The next is the discussion board. This discussion board is open for all people to post different opportunities, different events that are going on that aren't specific to a group, but that are wanting to be seen by the whole community. You can also click on all these different tabs to find more things, such as resources. Opportunities will lead you to our job page, which is where all of our job postings are that people have, employers have put on the page for students to go and to look at. We're happy to help you if you have any other questions about how to use the platform. Feel free to email us or to go back to our homepage to look at more resources.